and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this loading screen animation on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this purple here, and I'm just going to select mask, and I'm going to select rectangle, and I'm just going to create a loading bar. I'm also going to make the duration a little bit longer than this because I will have to make a compound clip out of that. So maybe like 10 seconds for instance, or 12. Right click, create compound clip, select the rectangle again, select reverse, and create a kind of like a bar here. And then for the inside part, again, you're going to use a different color for it. And you're going to select the rectangle mask, and you're going to fit it to the loading bar here. Right click, create compound clip again, and select the horizontal, and you're just going to rotate it this way. Add a keyframe here, and kind of at the end or wherever, you're just going to place the line to the right to create this like loading bar. Go to text and add in a default text here, and type in loading. You can change the font as well. Maybe like this one. And I'm going to color it the same as the like purple here. Go to animation as well. And select loop. And you're going to select the, which one is it? You can do this random flash, but I think it's just like the normal flash one. You can also adjust the speed here. Just gonna make it like that. Okay, that's 1.5 seconds maybe. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!